This part of the video is about what equipment you will need to buy. Each year, our troop goes on many events. Most of them have to do with camping and hiking. All of these items over here have to do with camping, and the ones over here have to do with hiking. However, this does not include your high adventure gear along with your bear paw gear. I will now list all of these items, names, and I'll also go into detail about them later. This is your mess kit. This is a sleeping pad, sleeping bag, tarp, tent, backpack ring cover, backpack, lighter, pocket knife, flashlight, hiking poles, rain gear, day pack, first aid kit, compass, and hiking shoes. Now I will go into detail about each item. First, I will talk about the sleeping pad. Sleeping pads typically come in two different types, foam and air mattresses. Foam mattresses are typically larger, less comfortable, yet cost less than air mattresses. Here are two examples of foam mattresses. Air mattresses cost more, but are more comfortable and are usually smaller. For summer camp, you will probably want to bring an air mattress along with you because they will give you more comfort. Now I will talk about the sleeping bag. For your sleeping bag, you probably want to buy 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no need to go to 0 degrees because usually we won't be camping out in that kind of weather. However, sometimes it does get cold in the winter, so you might want to buy a fleece blanket to go put inside your sleeping bag. Now I will talk about your mess kit. For your mess kit, you probably will want a cup and a bowl. If you really want to, you can also have a plate. For example, in this mess kit, there is one plate and two bowls. Also, you will need a spoon and a fork. These should all be reusable. Now I will talk about your tent and your tarp. For your tent, I recommend that you have at least a 3-season tent for 2 people. It should also be less than 5 pounds because when you are hiking, the lighter the better. Also, you will need a tarp. This is to protect the bottom of your tent from rocks, sticks, and also water. Now I will talk about your fire starter, pocket knife, flashlight, first aid kit, and compass. For your fire starter, it doesn't really matter whether you have a match or a lighter, as long as you are able to start a fire. For a pocket knife, all you need is a basic knife so that you can cut rope or maybe tomatoes or lettuce. For a flashlight, I suggest that you get a headlamp. That way, when you put it on, you will have both hands available to hold things. You will also need a first aid kit. For more information about what to put inside your first aid kit, please refer to the Boy Scout Handbook. Last but not least, you will also need a compass. It doesn't matter about what kind of compass that you get, as long as it is able to point north and has all 360 degrees marked out on the compass. Now I'll talk about your rain gear. You will need rain gear that is easily put on and taken off at the first sign of rain. Here are the rain pants. These can be slipped on fairly easily. Here is your rain jacket. This can be put on also in about 1 to 2 seconds. Now I will talk about your hiking sticks. You will need hiking sticks because when you're hiking, they can help reduce stress on your knees. You will need hiking sticks for which you can adjust the height because sometimes you might buy ones that are too long. You will need hiking sticks that have clips when you adjust the height because the ones that you twist to adjust the height are less reliable. Now I will talk about your hiking boots. For your hiking boots, you don't want ones that are too loose or too tight because both can cause blisters. You will also want boots that are waterproof because you don't want water soaking through your shoes. Now I will talk about your day pack. For your day pack, you probably will want a backpack which can hold these items over here, along with water bottle and food. You might also want to attach a whistle on the backpack. Therefore, if you get lost, you can always use it to call for help. Now I will talk about your backpack, along with your pack cover. There are two main types of backpacks: internal frame packs, shown here, and external frame packs. Internal frame packs have no external frame, and usually will take up less space in the car. External frame packs, however, have a frame, and will usually take up more space in the car. Make sure that when you buy a backpack, you buy the right one for your size. For example, this red 70-liter backpack is for me, and this smaller 50-liter backpack is for my younger brother. Also, for your pack cover, make sure that when you buy one, it fits your backpack and it isn't too small or too big for it. Your pack cover should look like this. You use the pack cover when it is raining so that your backpack does not get wet.